Hey space lovers! Welcome back to Discover with Momina, where we explore the wonders of our universe. In today's video, we're going to take a closer look at the moon, our fascinating neighbor. While it might seem beautiful, there are some dangerous spots that could make life there a real challenge. Let's dive in. Section 1. The harsh lunar environment. The moon has no air or protective atmosphere like Earth, so it faces extreme temperatures. During the day, it can get incredibly hot, but at night, it's freezing cold. This makes it hard to survive without special technology to protect us. Extreme temperatures, hot and cold. Section 2. The danger of lunar dust. The moon is covered with fine dust called regolith. This dust sticks to everything and is very sharp. It can be harmful to astronauts' lungs if they breathe it in. It can also damage spacesuits and equipment. Lunar dust, sharp and harmful. Section 3. Radiation hazards. Without an atmosphere, the moon is exposed to harmful radiation from the sun and space. This radiation is dangerous and can cause health problems for anyone living or working on the moon. No protection from radiation. Section 4. Challenges of colonizing the moon. Building a base on the moon is not easy. Apart from the dangerous dust and radiation, the moon's surface also has extreme temperatures. There's also the challenge of living in a place where there's no air to breathe and pressure is almost zero. All of these factors make living on the moon very difficult. Colonization challenges, dangerous dust, radiation, and extreme temperatures. Section 5. Water on the moon. Good news, scientists have found water on the moon in ice form, mainly at the poles, where it's always dark and cold. While this could be helpful for future moon missions, it's not easy to use. The ice is mixed with dirt, so it has to be purified. Scientists are still figuring out the best way to get this water for astronauts to drink. Water on the moon, difficult to use. Section 6. The vacuum of space. The moon's surface has no atmosphere, which means there's no air to breathe. Space is like a vacuum, and if a spacesuit gets a hole in it, astronauts could face life-threatening problems in seconds. Being on the moon means constantly fighting against these dangers. The vacuum, no air to breathe. That's it for today's adventure. We've learned a lot about the dangers of the moon, and while it's a place full of mystery, it's also full of challenges. Don't forget to hit that like button if you enjoyed this journey through space, and subscribe to Discover with Momina for more exciting space facts and discoveries. See you in the next video.